If you need the rocket launcher, it's there.
I don't need shit.
I gotta get my rocket launcher.
I'm gonna be like, what's his name? That Spartan from Halo Wars, Jerome, fighting the Covenant, fighting the.
Wrong.
Yeah, you know.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, one of the time or after the mission, one of the Flood board came out and Titan was on the ship and Jerome. Well, Serena woke up Jerome, and Jerome woke up and killed the flood with a chair, and then went back to sleep.
No rocket launcher ammo. No, you disappeared.